Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB31 Wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If this speaker is not working or not connecting to your device, or if it's not syncing or pairing with Bluetooth, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because the pairing history will be deleted off this device. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you want to get this speaker just back to the way it was when it came out of the box so you can set it up new, we can do this really simply. For this to work, the power needs to be on the speaker. So we can go ahead and turn it on, and then we're just going to come in and press and hold the volume down button, and as soon as we do that, then we can come and press and hold the power pairing button. We're just going to press and hold each of those together for at least 5 seconds until the speaker turns off. Once it powers off, that means the reset is complete. We can let go of both buttons, and we can just go ahead and hit the power button to turn it on and set it up like a new speaker.